Write the number -1 plus radical 3i in trigonometric form. First, we want to get an idea of what this thing looks like. We're going to sketch this out. And our real component is -1. So we're going to go 1 unit to the left. And the imaginary component is radical 3. So from here, we're going to go radical 3 upward. So then we're going to finish off this triangle by first finding the hypotenuse with the Pythagorean theorem. So we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So this tells us that radical 3 squared plus -1 squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So we evaluate this and get 3 plus 1 equals c squared. So c squared equals 4. So we take the square root and get c equals 2. So now we know the hypotenuse is 2. We also want to find this angle. Now this we can actually do from the unit circle. We can use any of the three trig functions. I'm just going to go through and use the sine. We know that sine of the angle in this case is opposite over hypotenuse. This is radical 3 over 2. We also know based on our diagram that the angle is in the second quadrant. So we're going to look in the second quadrant for a place where the sine, the y-coordinate, is radical 3 over 2. Now see, that happens here at an angle of 2 pi over 3. So now we know the angle is 2 pi over 3. Now that we've identified these two pieces, the hypotenuse and the angle, we can rewrite this as the hypotenuse, r, which is 2, times cosine of the angle plus I sine of the angle. So we get 2 cosine 2 pi over 3 plus I sine of 2 pi over 3.